this on my phone right now, so the quality's not going to be as good as what it was, but this is just after a couple of days in the electrolysis bath. See, I decided to try something different with this one. Instead of taking everything apart, just chuck it all in the bucket, hook some electricity up to it, and circuit board is starting to clean up, and there's still some crust and corrosion on the CRT board and power supplies, but the main board is looking pretty good. These back planes, this steel material that holds the boards is starting to clean up. It's flaking off of there. These supports cleaned up pretty nice. That key switch there, keyboard switch, keyboard lock, is probably completely toast in the inside. I might be able to take it apart and clean the tumblers and the pins in it. Aquadag on the CRT is coming off, but so did the other one, and the other one didn't even go through the bath, or at least not the electronics of it, just the chassis, which cleaned up pretty nice. Yeah, I'm going to chuck it back in there for a few days and come back and see what it looks like. Alright, it's back in the bath. A couple hours later, it's had time to build up. Let's see if we got any flammable gases. I'd say yes, we got hydrogen coming off the negative. And looks like maybe a little bit of oxygen coming off the positive. So it's working. You'd think the green would be copper, but I don't think that's green enough to be copper. I think that's just iron oxide in a different state. Oh, look at that. And then once it gets to the surface where the air is, it starts turning back to an orange color. Water is so murky you can't even see in there now.